Hey there, medical professionals. Today, we're going to unravel the mystery of marketing funnels, a crucial backbone in the world of successful digital marketing for your practice. Let's dive in. Ever wondered how to turn your Facebook ad viewers into actual patients booking appointments? That's where a marketing funnel comes into play. Stick around as we break down why funnels are so vital and how they can revolutionize your digital marketing strategy. Hi, my name is Dory, your patient lead generator specialist. Let's start from the top. What exactly do we mean by marketing funnel? Imagine this. A potential patient sees your Facebook ad for the first time. What's the next step? How do we transform this mere viewer into an engaged patient booking an appointment? That's where the secret sauce of the marketing funnel comes in. Let's unravel this step by step. A marketing funnel maps out the customer's journey, from their very first interaction with your brand right through to the ultimate goal, which is to book an appointment at your practice. Think of it as a detailed blueprint for customer conversion. So why is this funnel so critical to your marketing strategy? Here's the reason. The marketing funnel allows you to customize your Facebook ads according to different stages of a patient's journey. This means you're not just broadcasting a generic message, you are speaking directly to their needs at that specific moment. For instance, at the initial stages, you could engage your audience with educational content. This could be an informative article that addresses a common health concern. This piece would not only raise awareness about the issue, but also subtly introduce your practice and its expertise. Now, as your potential patient reads and engages with this article, they gain value from it, regardless of whether they immediately decide to book an appointment or not. But here's the beauty of it. They've interacted with your content, and they're likely to remember the valuable information you provided. You've positioned your practice as a knowledgeable and reliable source of information, a step towards building trust. But how does this turn into appointments? Well, within this article, you have strategically placed some buttons and links leading them to a page where they can take a short quiz or enter their contact information for more resources. Once they've done this, they're taken to the appointment page where they can easily book an appointment with you. And remember, even if they don't opt in right away, they've engaged with your content. They've seen the value you offer, and you've started building a relationship with them. Plus, you can always remarket to them later on with targeted Facebook ads. The power of the funnel is in its ability to guide potential patients through your journey, offering them personalized, relevant content at each stage. By understanding and utilizing this process, you can transform your digital marketing strategy, leading to more effective ad spending, more leads, and ultimately more patients booking appointments. This isn't just a funnel, it's a revolution in patient engagement and conversion. And if you're serious about boosting your digital marketing game, understanding and utilizing this process isn't an option. It's a necessity. So master the power of the funnel and take your digital marketing to new heights. Now, it's your turn to jump in. What do you make of all this funnel stuff I've been talking about? Does this sound like it could be a game changer for getting the word out about your practice? Feel free to share your thoughts or any questions you have in the comments. I'm here to assist you. In our next video, we'll dive deep into the steps to creating an actual effective marketing funnel for medical professionals. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Remember, mastering the power of the funnel is one step away.